Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I actually wasn't feeling the greatest and I've been trying to stay away from doing makeup tutorials because I'm letting my skin breathe for a little bit. I will get back and do makeup tutorials next week because I am in such a mood to film a really fun tutorial. But anyway, I wanted to go ahead and do another video kind of in my makeup artist series. I know you guys really do enjoy these videos, and the next one would be kind of showing off what is in this Zuca bag. I recently got this. As you guys know, I am a freelance makeup artist, and being a makeup artist, I'm always trying to find items and things that will make my life so much more easier. When I first started off, I actually had this case, which I loved. I actually have some lashes and things in it now. But I really loved this, and it kept all my palettes and lashes and everything in here. But what I realized was, you know, when I go to my weddings, things like that, I bring my chair with me, I bring my light, I bring my carry case. I have so much with me that holding on to something with this kind of a handle was just too much. So I wanted to find something that was very easy for me to take with me to transport and everything like that. And so I came across this bag. It's actually a backpack. So what I love about it is I can put this on my back, then I can roll my roll along and have everything else that I have, like my chair and my light and everything. And it just makes my life 1,000 times easier. I absolutely love it. And like I said, it carries and it holds so much in it so that it's also a really great, you know, thing to add that kind of those bulky things that you don't want to add into your roll along case. And so I really do love it. So I want to kind of go through a tour with you about what I have in my Zuca bag, as well as showing off the bag if you guys would be interested in buying it for yourself. Of course, I'll link it down below for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get inside. So this Zuca bag in particular, I got off of Amazon, and like I said, I absolutely love it. It does come in different sizes in the sense of inside, as you'll see in a second, has different compartments in it. So as you open it, it has different carry cases with it. So for me, I got the extra large because it came with, I believe altogether, 8 compartments. As you can see right here, I just have 5, but it did come with extra ones. So this is another one that I had on the side, and of course I can always go ahead and add more things into it, and it does hold taking 8 things with it. So I do have more as a backup, and then you can actually buy these cases separate, whether you want the larger ones or the smaller ones. You can buy them separate on Amazon. So again, I will link everything down below for you, the whole backpack, the cases, and everything like that. And you will see when you do get the backpack, though, it does come in different sizes. I bought the one that was the biggest. It was $200, but it was $200 well spent. I absolutely love it. So we're gonna get into this in a second. I wanted to share with you guys the other compartments that are in it. So this is another little carry case in here. You can put other stuff in here. I actually, if I don't bring like my wallet in with me, I usually just put my keys in here so I don't have to have an added purse or anything like that. Then down here, there's another compartment down here. Again, something you can add more stuff into. And then on this side, which is pretty cool, this is a great bag as well. You don't even have to be a makeup artist. This is a great bag if you are a hairstylist, because it has a compartment in here where if you have a hot tool or a hot curling iron, you can put it in here, and it has kind of the like aluminum, not aluminum, but you know, foily kind of feel that you can put your thing in here and it won't, of course, burn. So I love that. It has another case or compartment here on the side that you can put stuff in there. So it has a lot of great compartments in it to make life easy. So before we get into these compartments as well, I also wanted to share with you guys, I get so many questions about this chair. This is the chair that I do all of my clients in, and it makes my life so much easier. I literally get so many comments on this chair. I will try and find the exact one down below. I got this as a Christmas present from Steve 2 years ago, my boyfriend Steve, and like I said, it has made my life so much easier. I used to do makeup on just regular chairs, and the thing with that is, of course, it's great if you just use a chair that's there, but it kills your back if you're doing 7, 8, 9 people, especially even just doing like 5 people, 4 people, it kills your back. This is such an amazing chair. It has a table on the side, it has compartments on the side over there too. So like I said, I will try and find it. As you can see, it's by the brand Earth Products. I'll try and find it for you guys and link it below. So now onto the bag. So as you can see in here, like I said, I do have 5 compartments. It does come with more compartments as you saw. And then as you can see over here, it does have more compartments you can put stuff in. So over here, what I actually have in it right now, I did just get this bag. So it probably is not filled to the capacity that I would like. But for the time being, this is what I have in here. I'm sure I'll do more of an updated video later on. I actually want to go ahead and with the other smaller ones that I have, as I continue to buy lip glosses and lipsticks and things like that, I would love to go ahead and do a compartment or a little bin thing that's just lip products and, you know, just things like that. Just something that's so easy and something that I can actually take out of my roll-along bin and put it in here so then I can go and get more makeup product and put into my roll-along. As you can see over here, there are other compartments. What I actually have in here are just a couple of things that are just backup. So I do have another backup eyelash glue just in case I run out. So I do have that in here. And then I'm actually running low on my Hoola bronzer in my kit that comes with Benefit. So I actually bought a backup Hoola bronzer. So I do have that in there for when the time comes and I run out. And then down here, I just have some individual lashes that are just some backups here. For the most part, I do use strip lashes on my clients, but there are some that actually want individuals. So I have them in here. And like I said, all my strip lashes are over here. So kind of going for a tour on this side. Like I said, it's not filled to capacity. As you can see up here too, there is also a zipper compartment up here that you can put some stuff in as well up here as you see my hand. But like I said, there's just so many, honestly I didn't even know that was there until just now. There's so many compartments and so many things that you'll find. So over here I do have a bag. This is what I have all of my blenders in. They're all clean. I actually recently bought a bunch of the Real Techniques ones. And these are the ones that I bring with me to all of my appointments. And then as you can see in the first top 3, these are actually the ones that I currently have all of my lashes in. I have different lashes, different styles, and I have 3 bins with me right now because I feel like when it comes to lashes, my favorite, of course, are always the Ardell wispy lashes. I feel like they're very beautiful and they're perfect, I think, on every single kind of eye shape. But for me, there's always different eyelashes out there and different, you know, some people want longer lashes, some people want lashes that are flared out at the end. So I always make sure that I always have different varieties of lashes because when you go to weddings, you never know kind of what to expect when it comes to eye shapes and stuff. So I always make sure I have a lot of lashes. So these 3 compartments I have right now are all lashes. Like I said, you don't have to do all lashes for these. Everyone's case can be personal to their own makeup artistry and to you as a makeup artist. And so for me, I love lashes. I just always want to make sure that I have the proper lashes that I need to complete the look. And so these 3 are for lashes. And then the 2 bigger ones that I have, I actually want to go ahead and get a big one to put all my lashes in. So then the little ones I can actually put other things in. But for the time being, that is what I have with the lashes, and it's perfect for right now, but like I said, I definitely do want to get a bigger one to hold all of my lashes, so I just have 1 big one instead of 3. But I actually feel like I should just get all big ones. I mean, I'm just talking besides the point. Okay, so as you can see, then this one is for all of my face products. So I actually have all of the face products in here. This is that Benefit palette I was talking about where I'm almost out of Hoola. I also do have my blushes, my brow palette, contour palettes. I also have a highlighting palette from Ofra Cosmetics. So in here is just all of my face products. I actually separated them between face, of course, and eyes. So this one is all face. It's a really great, and like the thing too is they're all really durable. So I never feel like I'm going to break any of my makeup. Just make sure that you have them stacked properly. I guess that would be my tip with that. But for the most part, they're really durable. And I've had these, like I said, for a good amount of time, and they haven't got extremely dirty either, which I love. And then I have my mirror. I'm gonna flip it. So there we go. Woo, woo, woo. So I do have a mirror because, of course, I do love to show the clients and everybody what their makeup looks like at the end. So I stick this mirror in here. And then I actually do have an eyeshadow palette that doesn't have a compartment. And that that palette, of course, is the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. It is actually, I believe, too big to fit in the big Zuca ones. So what I do is I sandwich this between the other two, so it does have protection. And like I said, I'm putting that in there for some time, and no, none of my eyeshadows have broken, which is good news. So I do like to just kind of fit that right in the center, and then that's kind of where that one has a home. And then as you can see last on the bottom, this is, I think, my heaviest because these are my eyeshadow palettes. So I do always make sure that I put this one on the bottom. And as you can see, this one holds all of my eyeshadow palettes. I'll kind of briefly go through with you guys the eyeshadow palettes that I have for those of you who are curious. I know, cute thermal. So I have this one. This is my Z palette, and it has a bunch of shadows in it. I have MAC, Makeup Geek, Stila, just all the really great shades out there. Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I have probably about 3 or 4 sections that I can actually put more shadows in, so I'll probably be doing that soon. I have Anastasia Modern Renaissance. I have my Lorac Pro palette. I have Tartelette 1 and Tartelette in Bloom, which is 2. I have my Persona Cosmetics palette, which is my favorite. If you guys don't have this in your palette for your makeup kit or in your kit for your clients, you are definitely missing out. This is always my go-to palette for any kind of eye look. I also have my LC Cosmetics Minimalist palette. I have my Lorac Unzip palette. And then I also have this one by ColourPop. This is the Chicy, CHIC/Y, which I love. I honestly love this palette just for that pink. It's like the perfect bridal-y kind of pink shadow, if you guys can see that. What I honestly should do is take these 4 out and put them in my Z palette, which I'll probably be doing right now because I literally just realized to do that. But anyway, so those are the palettes that I currently have in my kit for my clients, and like I said, they are always my go-to palettes. And so yeah, I have all of these right here in this Zuca bag, and like I said, as long as you know how to stack them, they all fit perfectly in. So this is a really, really great one. So like I said, that is currently what is in my Zuca bag. It of course is different for everybody, and like I said, depending on what you have, and like I said, I just recently got this, so I'm of course as well gonna be doing this differently. I wanted to have bigger compartments. I'm thinking of course I can hold more makeup, and so for me, you just gotta, you know, play with it. You gotta do what you want. I definitely just want to show it off because I know a lot of you guys question what I love about this bag, what's in the bag, and I think a lot of you also really comment on the chair, so I wanted to make sure that with doing this video, I showed off the chair so I could kind of answer some of your questions that you have with the chair. So anyway, this is a really great bag for all you makeup artists out there. I definitely recommend getting it. I know that they do also have the Zuca roll along bag. So if you don't have like a regular roll case like I do, I would definitely recommend getting theirs that is roll along because I'm sure they have all these amazing compartments in it as well. And of course, it's very travel friendly and very easy to carry along with you because it does have wheels on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see any other kind of makeup artist questions or makeup artist videos, please let me know in the comments down below. And of course, if you have any questions, whether you are a makeup artist, you have a question you would like to ask me, leave it down below. I'd love to answer it for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.